Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve issue with Amazon App Store in the Microsoft Store in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. It says that the app will not work on your device. Let's fix that problem. Jump straight into it guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type TURN 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 Windows features on or off. Open it. In here you need to check mark the hyper V guys. Need to check mark the hyper V in here. Check mark it and click OK. Searching for required file. Wait for it guys. Applying changes. Now it's done. After finishing this, close out of here guys. After that, go to search menu and type Microsoft MICROSOFT Store, Microsoft Store. Open it. Wait for it guys. In here you need to go to account logo in right side guys. We need to click on the account logo. Sign in account logo. You just need to click on it and go to settings. In here you need to app updates app automatically. You just need to turn this on. If your computer is off, in here you just need to turn it on in your computer guys. After that, go to library on left side, left corner of library. In here click on it. In here you need to update your all apps guys. For that, click on get updates, and whatever apps didn't get updated, you just need to update that guys. For that, here is option get updates. It will automatically update all apps in your Microsoft Store, including Amazon App Store guys. Everything will be updated. Now it start updating guys. There are 29 apps to get updating. You just need to click on update all, and after that you need to update everything here guys in your Microsoft Store. After that, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your computer, attempt to launch the Amazon App Store. Now you should good to go guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.